Hi, in this video, let us see the swing trading stock selection and the week ahead analysis for the Nifty and the India VIX. As a reminder, we are approaching the monthly expiry in the coming week, so be careful with your F&O positions if you are holding. And the one more main point I want to tell you is there is a global event, that is Fed meeting is going to occur on November 23rd, which is on Wednesday. So just see that the next day we will be approaching the monthly expiry also. So I always wonder how come this kind of global events is always just placed near our weekly expiries and monthly expiries. So just be cautious regarding these two events. To start with weekend analysis with Nifty, last week Nifty touched around 18,490 levels, around this levels, and it was a near miss to touch the 18,500 mark. Even though the Singapore Nifty has touched the 18,500, but our index has missed to touch the 18,500 mark. It was just a near miss, so it has taken a just retracement, and we expect the move has to be like this. So in this week, if this is a retracement, then the expectation is around the uptrend. Otherwise it may just touch this 18,500 mark, and from the other scenario can be the reversal. So this is what the two things we expect, either for the continuation after the retracement, or it will be a just consolidation with the reversal. So this is what the expectation for the coming week for the Nifty. So going for the India VIX, still India VIX is in the ultra low value of around 14. So this means that there is no any major panic news for this coming situation or the coming week. The swing trading stock selection for the coming week for the long positions, that is buying and selling, that is Pidilite Industries. Pidilite Industries I already recommended in my previous weekend analysis also. So I myself taken the trade in this candle. So I'm just holding it for the good momentum. And in this example, I want to tell you how the big boys is trapping us and how they are making money. This is a very good example I want to just convey in this weekend analysis. See, this is a nice theoretical a reversal price action pattern. So if somebody as a theoretical manner they have understood that this is a reversal price action pattern, and once the neckline is crossed and they have gone short here, what would have been happen? Already the stop loss is hit here. So just I want to make you understand in this through this video that how the big boys is trapping our retailers who are good in the theoretical knowledge. Okay, I hope I made you understand to how to not get trapped from these kind of fake setups. The next stock for the long side is GAIL. You can see this is the trend line and it has been rejected. The price has been getting rejected, but this time the price is getting a pullback towards the trend line and it is able to take the support and trying to move in this side. So there is a very good risk to reward ratio I am seeing in this GAIL stock. I expect at least in the long term it will take some time to achieve this point, that is around 112. So that was been the major support area. You can see resistance 1, 2, 3. So this is what the expectation to GAIL to. It will take some time to achieve this value, but I see there is a good risk to reward ratio for the risk what we are taking in this stock. So the next stock will be is around Tata Consumers for the going long. So this is quite a long time it is taking support in this major trend line in this area, and now it has crossed this trend line here and given a breakout. So I expect this has to go in this uptrend manner to achieve at least this point around 850 to 860 levels. Next we will see the swing trading stock selection for shorting. So that is the first one will be the Godrej CP, Godrej Consumer. So Even I recommended this GOER'S CP for shorting in the previous weeks also. By seeing this trend lines, the price is getting rejected, and this time also the price has got rejected, and I myself took the trade and I entered the trade for shorting in this area, and now I am holding. So if this is getting respected, this trend line is getting respected, then I expect to break this support and fall in this manner. So that is what the expectation on Godrej consumer. And the next stock will be for shorting purpose is 𝗙𝗹𝗹. So I feel that this major trend line is somewhat broken, and on Friday I myself took the trade by entering in this candle. So I hope at least the price has to come and test in this area around 1089 1090 levels. So this is for the 𝗙𝗹𝗹, and the next stock for shorting is Titan. So again I have shorted this on Friday itself. So here I have shorted since it has crossed the previous day low. So this is what I see, because there is a major resistance. From the resistance the price has reversed, and also it has broken the moving average band area also. So this is what the expectations for shorting. Give a like for this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for getting the regular updates like this. If you have any specific doubts regarding the swing trading stock selection and swing trading strategies, type your comments in the comment box. I'll be replying quickly for your questions. So, and also I have given my WhatsApp number. You can contact me in my WhatsApp number for your doubts regarding the swing trading strategies and swing trading stock selections.